Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Xbox game bar record button is grayed out. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I would suggest doing would be to open up the search menu, type in WS Reset, go ahead and open that up. And then once that's done, hopefully that would have resolved the problem. If not, you can open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, you'll come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select apps on the left panel here. And then on the right side underneath apps, select installed apps. Search for Xbox. Select the three-dotted icon next to the Xbox application and select advanced options. Scroll down. Underneath reset, if the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select repair. And then if you're still having an issue, you can select the second option where if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select reset. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. And then once that's done, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer at this time. And then hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.